Where to find the Dolby Atmos as well as graphic equalizer settings on your Xiaomi Redmi Note 13 Pro phone with Hyper OS 2, and of course any other Xiaomi Redmi phones with Hyper OS 2. To get started, you can always use the quick access like this here and look for the settings toggle, which is this one right there. As you tap on it here, you'll see all these settings load up for you. And now you want to go down the list and look for sound and touch, this one right here. And as you enter here, you're going to see some different options. And you're looking for the one that says sound effects. It's all the way to the very bottom area. Now, once you enter here now, this is where you can choose Dolby Atmos or this one here, the Xiaomi sound here, okay? So switching to them won't really give you much of a difference here, but Xiaomi sound seems to work a lot better with plugged in earphones, and Dolby Atmos basically is going to be best at using your speakers for your Xiaomi phone. Now, either one of them will give you access to the effects here, the graphic equalizer, this one right here. And when you're here, you can choose between either the custom to adjust the bands how you want them to, if you know how to work these. And of course, you got the presets. We got rock, jazz, pop, classic, hip hop, blues, electronic, and metal. And that's all about it here. And you can always just make the changes to it to get the best sound experience possible on your Xiaomi phone. And that's that. If this guide helped, don't forget to like and sub, and also check out my other tutorials.